In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Google Sheets to efficiently manage your data. We'll walk through each step to get you comfortable with this essential feature, letting you focus on the information that truly matters. To kick things off, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Google homepage. Once there, you'll notice a small grid icon in the top right corner. This is your gateway to all of Google's apps. Go ahead and click on that, then find and select Google Sheets. This will bring you to the main Google Sheets page where we'll get started by opening a new spreadsheet. To do this, simply click on the plus blank option, which lets you generate a fresh new sheet ready for your data. Now, imagine you have a hefty spreadsheet brimming with data and you're feeling overwhelmed. This is where filters come into play, allowing you to hide the clutter and concentrate on the data you really need. Start by selecting your data table. It's important to ensure that you cover all the columns and rows you want to filter. Accuracy here will make your filtering process spotless. With your data highlighted, direct your attention to the data menu at the top of the page. Once you click on data, you'll see the create a filter option. Clicking this will activate the filter capability across your selected data. You'll notice small filter icons appearing in the headers of your columns, and this is where the magic happens. Click on any of these icons to bring up a menu of sorting and filtering options tailored to that specific column. Let's say you want to hide certain values to tidy up your view. All you need to do is uncheck those specific values under the filter menu. Once unchecked, those rows will instantly vanish from your current view, making it much easier to hone in on what's important. And there you have it, a straightforward way to filter through your data in Google Sheets. It's a surefire method to find specific information quickly and efficiently, streamlining your workflow and ensuring that you always have access to the data that's most relevant to you. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope these steps help make managing your spreadsheets a breeze. Keep practicing, and soon enough, filtering your data will become second nature. Until next time, happy filtering.